just here to showcase my project share for, not really showcase it, just share it. For the Wednesday night live that we did, I made a button can. We were to alter a can or more. I only got one done and I had a lid for mine. So this is the can, which I gessoed, but the gesso isn't staying on because of the lid. So I don't know quite what to do about that, but anyway, we'll figure it out. So I may have to do something different with that. I wrapped a piece of paper around, which is Stampin' Up's Needlepoint Nook, out of their designer paper that is retiring. It's so cute, and everything looks like it's done with embroidery on the paper. This is retiring Berry Burst ribbon. And then I had this piece of doily in my stash. I think it was from Deb Henrik, but don't hold me to that. And then these buttons were all in my stash. These funky hearts that were similar to the Berry Burst. And then these light pink, which I don't remember where I got. And these darker, almost the same color as the Berry Burst ribbon. Sorry, I have a little bit of glue there. Anyway, and then this bling is out of Michael's, the pink and cream iridescent bling pearl, flatback pearls. So that's really, oopsie, see my glue's coming off, I'll have to fix that. That's really all I did was glue down the flower, oh, and this flower trim. I don't remember where that's from, one second. The flower trim, I think I got it at Joann's a while back. It was this by the spool for $2.99. It doesn't really say where it's from, 2 yards of it. I'm pretty sure I got that in the store at Joann's a while back. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to glue that down a little bit, and there we have it. So this is the front, and then on the lid I put a different piece of the Needlepoint Nook, which you can't really see, but it's got a bunch of like rolled flowers in like fabric flowers. And then I had this doily. This is a piece of flower bling, which I got from overseas, Amazon I think I ordered it from, but it was an overseas store. And then I had this piece of trim, sort of wider trim. I kind of wish I hadn't used such a wide trim, and I ran out, so I found this other piece of flower trim and just stuck it on the back. It's only for me, it's not going anywhere. Again, the Berry Burst ribbon, and then these pearls, which are not flat back, and those I think I also got at either Joann's or Oriental Trading, I'm not sure which. So this is a plastic lid that came with this can, and here I have a piece of old olive twine or thread that is retiring from Stampin' Up as well. It may already be retired, I can't recall. And so that just goes with the little bow towards the front. And hopefully I can get it on again because the ribbon is a little bit in the way on the can. There we go. It's on. So that's how it goes. And I'm just going to hold buttons in it. Yeah, I don't know if I even was in frame most of that time, but there it is. And those are looking red, but they're actually like a hot pink color. Let me see if... I don't know if that'll make it better or worse. Yeah, I don't know. The side view over here looks more pink, and that's what it is. It's a hot pink. So yeah, that's my altered can from Wednesday Night Live on Kathy's Cards channel with Tina and Andrea. So if you didn't see that, go check it out. We have a lot of fun on Wednesday nights creating something different. And this week we'll be doing something a little different still. So hope you'll join us Wednesday night, 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central. And don't forget, Tuesday night at 7 p.m. Eastern, I have a live also. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.